Can you scoop it? Scoop it and put it in your mouth. You want some help? Scoop it. There you go. Put it in your mouth. Good job. So much for the spoon. Here, switch hands. Try your spoon in your other hand.